The moment you enter a trade is the worst time to decide when to leave it, because your judgment is already compromised by emotion. Entering a trade without an exit plan is like jumping out of a plane and hoping to knit a parachute on the way down. You rely on hope instead of math, leading to panic selling at the bottom or greedily holding through the top. Before you buy, you must calculate your risk-to-reward ratio. You need to know exactly how much you are willing to lose to gain a specific amount. If the potential reward isn't at least twice your defined risk, the trade isn't mathematically worth taking. Your stop loss is your insurance policy. It shouldn't be an arbitrary dollar amount, but placed at a technical invalidation point, a level where your trade thesis is proven wrong. Once set, this number is non-negotiable. On the upside, greed is your enemy, so you must sell into strength. A professional strategy often involves scaling out, selling half your position at your first target to lock in gains, then letting the rest ride with a trailing stop. An exit plan removes the psychological burden of trading. You aren't guessing anymore. You are simply executing a contract you made with yourself before the market opened. This discipline is the only gap between gambling and trading. Plan the trade, trade the plan.